Welcome back. Well, at least it ain't that cold out today. Well, it's cold enough, it's 0 degrees. So she drove this thing back from wherever in town here. Drove it back after it's sitting all day. It fired right up, drove it here, parked it here, shut it off, and then it went fire again. Yeah. You ever tried wearing these here, well, I got coveralls under here. You ever had the zipper knot and go down when you gotta take a, piss real bad? Well, I had that happen today. Almost pissed my pants. I'm going here. Do I got this locked? Of course I do, because people like to steal shit these days. Don't worry about it being reinforced and bolted on the other side. Look at how nice and organized this is. I came in here to get a couple things. I'm going to grab that old scan tool because that's what I'm going to use. There's an engine light on just in case. I put a fuel pump in it, not the unload, but it could be something else. I'm going to buy this, at least I know where it is. It's power probe. Oh yeah, and I need what happened in there? Who did that shit? Oh, it must have been me. Then I need this fuel pressure tester deal. Well, it's not a thing, it's a fuel pressure tester. Well, you don't need to worry about that cigarette being 3/4. They're cheap. Where are my keys at? I almost thought I left them in the door. Watch out for the landmines. Junky, quit crapping all over the yard. How'd she pick that up? And these dogs take craps everywhere. Okay. I don't have no buttons. She has those because I'm not that special. I'm lucky to have a key. Alright. You're not going to hear with that racket going on. Don't worry about a Genesis OTC. It's got programs on it that are still good. You don't have to have a fancy pants laptop. Alright. Now, I think I'm going to stop this camera and put it on a head mount because I'm going to need both sides of these. So this is, man, that's my fancy. You don't need to worry about taping up your things so they don't leak as much. Anyways, I think this is 02 or 2003 Silverado 5.3. So I think I can remember right. It's probably on the other side under that. Oh, my pressure gauge works. I need to know if there's pressures. Maybe I can push it in and see if there's any coming out. I don't. What? Nothing. Yeah. I'll just take this out maybe. I need a poker and I ain't got time to be searching around for something when it's right there. Oh, there ain't no feel. You know, when you get those those new Delphi pumps, or any new pump that didn't come with this thing, they have you wire on that new pigtail. Well, there could be an issue there, but I'm not gonna say there is, because there might be. Okay, so that just shows me right there that there. Wait a minute, I'm gonna turn this on. I should have turned it on once, maybe, or twice. I don't hear anything, but you never know. Is that Todd? It is Todd. Fuel pump. You need to do that. That's why you got power probes. Or, you know, when you burn up your power probe and then your brain, because you went back in the vehicle to go get it, one's right here. When you burn up your power probe, you just get one of these and put it in the power probe case and have all the ends in the garage that are not compatible with this. It's fine as long as it does probing things. Ooh, them are, yeah, you want those stiff sleeves. What in the hell? Who put this away? Oh, that'd be me again. You don't have to be in a hurry every time. Well, yeah, you do. Especially, why don't I have gloves on? Man. It's only, like I said, it's like 0 degrees is out. I'll see if I can read the fuel pump. I'm gonna do this here first though, but I'm gonna see if I can read the fuel pump with the scan tool. But you don't need to worry about reading the fuel pump. Which way do these cross? Oh. Fuel pump. And that was right there. That one's green. And that one's green. That one's not. That one's not. What the? Green, green, green. Oh, yeah. If you can't read because you don't have your glasses on, your reading glasses, I guess you just test all the ones around it. What? There should be one for this thing, shouldn't there? PCM power. Okay, there would be okay, here's a fuel pump right here. I need a flat one. Oh, yeah, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this. Is there any? It's negative. That's got to be the one, but I don't remember. I can't see the diagram on the thing, I think. That's the problem. That's negative. Okay, I wonder if I can do this, maybe. Okay, no, I don't want to do that. Okay, I want to do this, but I want to see it. Okay, it should. It should come on. I can't remember how it goes here. Let's see. Oh, I can do it this way maybe. If I can read it, let's see. One here. There we go. If I put part of that, so it would be this one right here and connect. Right? I don't know what I'm doing, but I'll figure it out maybe. So it's one of these, and this is the one that's red. It has positive, okay? Oh, so it won't be that wires. I ain't get no gas on me, I can't tell. Come on. No, I know what I'm doing, I just don't have my glasses on, that's all. I need to, yeah, that's gonna be, Something's going on here. It probably works fine. Nope, it don't, because that's smoking. I can't feel my fingers anymore. I don't know what I'm digging in. Nothing. Okay. I'm just gonna have to crawl underneath and see what I see. That's gonna be something, I tell you. I smell gas. I'm gonna try to give these a little squeeze, put them in there. Okay, now I'm gonna try to turn it over. Okay, now I gotta look underneath, because there ain't nothing happening. Now, I don't want those wires are right there. I should have left the keys on. I don't remember how oh, nice ground strap. I can't remember how I got my arm up in here to feel it. That I can't even feel it. Hey, fuck, wait. Oh, no, Gus. Is that? I can't tell where it at. I suppose I got this stupid ass. Can't get my. Oh, yeah, can get my arm up in there. I'm gonna pull on these wires because the pigtails are stupid. Sometimes they work. Sometimes you gotta repin them because they're not doing a connector. Oh, I heard it. I think. Ha 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 ha. It was the connector. Alright, well that was an easy fix. So all you do is pull the pigtail back off and pull the pigtail back off and then resolder the connections, maybe pull the pins out of it. I just moved it and it started, so that's good. Now, stupid bit pulleys. You don't need to worry about pulleys. stupid. I told her that, you know, I kind of figured it was that, but I wasn't positive. But there's a check engine light, so I'm gonna see what that is too. I'm gonna have to, I just put that fuel pump in because I didn't buy the, God, that's noisy. Well, it's quieter than my truck, but anyways, I didn't buy the cheap fuel pump. I learned my lesson on that a long time ago when I had my shop. Just because it says it's good doesn't mean it is good. Just because it's cheaper doesn't always mean it's better. See if this old OTC tool still works. I got a Modus, but I don't. I don't have a shop anymore, so it might break. Where's I don't remember where it is. Oh, there it is. See if it turns on. It's probably frozen to death. Yeah. If there's even power to that OBD2, or maybe it just doesn't want to turn on. I'll have to put some heat in here. Okay. I'm going to pull it in back. Oh, look at there. You can see me. There. I'll warm it up. Yeah, she said she was just driving it, and she's been driving it all. It's been 6 months, and she's been driving it. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. Anyways, she's been driving it for like 6 months since I put maybe 7, since I put a fuel pump in it, and you know, no problems. But the other night she came back. You know, the weather was cold, so I suppose things happened. Plastics are plastics, and when it's 30 below, what do you expect? Them to be warm. Anyways, so I figured out the open on that relay. It's just been a minute, and you know, call me dumb, whatever you want, but you know the deal when you haven't done it for a while. Because I worked on cars for years and years, but I haven't really been working on them all that much. Just, you know, that kind of stuff where you don't need this kind of stuff. So I'm gonna warm this thing up. Oh, it's already, that's good. A little bit of heat coming out of there, because my you know, that finger I broke here, it's already like stinging like crazy. It did that the first 10 seconds I was outside, because it's been broke like twice, and the bone came out of there like one time, just a little bit. You worry about bones coming out. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Look at that fancy machine. Don't worry about that. That don't have wiring problems. It's got maybe 10 wires to it. It don't even have a antenna. Let's see if this thing turns on yet. It should, unless that ports don't have any power. Then we got an issue, but that shouldn't be an issue. There shouldn't be any issues there. Should there? Tell me this thing took a crap now. It's got programs on it. It's got the trucks, this heavy trucks, semis, and all that. I just gotta put the cord in it. That's why I kept it, because it had those programs on it. I want to put it on the Modus. Come on, heat. Come on. Come on, Genesis. Don't be so cold. Maybe your screen's cold. Man, that don't look good. That just doesn't, you know, it came up. Why did it do that? Why? Look at all that. Don't tell me any of those broke. I'll be peeved. I can't see, but it looks like something happened there. And then I'll have to go back to the one where you got the older one, the other cable, where you take this out, and there's a, well, I can take this one out. It has those chips you kind of put in there, but they're right at the base here. Wires off, because they're just, I'm not gonna do, I'm gonna have to go into the shop, heat up a garage, so I can do that wiring under there. I hope not, because I don't want to mess with that shit. I don't want to have to deal with that either. Alright, I'll bring it back when this here pops on, if it does. If it doesn't, then I'm not going to read that. It's gonna have to shit. Well, I'm kind of tired of waiting for it to come on, because I don't know if it's that has power. So I'm gonna put this stuff away and go dig in the box that it comes with. Maybe I'll have to grab that. I don't really want to grab that other scanner at all. All right, getting that out in this cold. Okay, that there. Where's that box door? Oh, it's behind here, of course. Oh yeah, right all behind everything, with shit stacked on top. Don't worry about all the stuff stacked on top of your holy shit. I need that. Oh, there's my red gloves down there. I needed those. I forgot to get my gloves out of that truck I gave my kid. Now, this is, do I even, I got to get up there, pod. You don't need a thing like that now. Okay. Got the forward ends. This is the end. Where is it? Where's the other end? I need that one end. This is the end. It has that meter right there, that card. I don't even know if I got any more cards. I can't remember. Okay, you need this. I don't know if I need this or not. I can't remember. No, that's for OBD1. Okay. So I might just need, what is this? Okay, this is just a what? Extension to it? Oh yeah, so you can, I'm not doing all that business. Just gonna put this one on there and it should work then, because That must be the, is that, which one is it? 1.0, 3306. I wonder, I don't have any more. Where the hell are they? They fall out? No, they didn't fall out. They're usually right here or somewhere, but I must have put them somewhere. Son of a, because I don't ever use them. Maybe I gave them to someone like a dumbass. We'll try this. And that thing could be cold, I don't know. See that box down there, just, and I'll just repin it onto that other plug. That's what I'll do, if that's what it is. But I'm hoping it ain't. No, and then look at these, are they bent? No. Are you recording sideways? Anyways, you're recording. I'm gonna have to figure that out. Hope it ain't 916, but okay. Hopefully that's the right chip in there. This here deal, because obviously I don't know what I don't got it. The problem, I might have to. Last time I was messing with it, the oh man, come on, the contrast and the brightness wasn't showing. Damn it. Alright, well, you know, I had to plug this GoPro in and I didn't have my plug in, and I don't want to go in the house and get another battery. But this here, this thing on. Oh yeah, it was on. Yeah, it's on. Anyways, maybe I gotta hold it up. I'm gonna have to, I'm not checking it, because I'm just gonna bring that in the house and see what's up with that, because obviously it's not both cords. And this here has power, I know it does, because I checked it. These ones are like new in there, so I'm gonna have to plug it in, because I do have a plug for it that goes in there. And I'll have to plug it in and see. The battery's been shot for years. Maybe maybe I did some of this. Oh, hold on. Hold please. Alright, well I can't get to come on. I'm just gonna try it later. I'm not gonna do a video about it, because I know people have done videos. I didn't know I was going to be that easy to fix. I had an idea, but we'll see if it starts again. Okay. Oh yeah. When it starts again. Oh yeah, I'll just when it's either I think I'm gonna borrow someone's shop here and fix it, or I'm just going to you know, wait till it warms up a little bit. But I don't want her having to go under there and grab wires. That would be, you know, bad on my part. Yeah, dog out there. You can't see him. He's just a little brown guy. Maybe you can. I'll try to zoom in on him. We'll see if he hears me. He's looking. Look, watch. Let's see if he looks again. Junkie! He said, you know what he said? He didn't want to talk about it. Well, I should take it for a ride after I did that. I went under there and put some zip ties on it for now to hold the wire, because the pins are backing out of the connector. Like that pigtail they give you, I don't know if I said this or not, that pigtail they give you that on the Delphi pump, the ones, the factory one's like a square one, this one's like a flat with the pins across instead of up down. Starts. Anyways, they were backing out of there, and I put a pick in there and tried to poke that little catch on there so it wouldn't come out, but I didn't want to pull on because it's, you know, like I said, it's cold. And I just put a zip tie around the wire and the plug itself so they won't back out until I can, you know, get it fixed right when it's warmer, or I use a shop. The guy I usually ask, he's not around, so I could ask the gas station, but he's got his stalls full right now. Take it for a ride, hit some bumps and see if it craps out or quits out. This is pretty good bumps in the alley. It should. I'll shut it off. And I don't know why it would keep running if the bumps knocked out. She said it ran all the way until she parked in front of the house and then tried to start it again and no starts. She's like, it's just spinning over, like it's got no spark. I'm like, that would be different if it had no spark, but 'cause I ain't had one of these that had no spark unless the thing was rusted in half. And this thing ain't rusted in half. There is always something to be thankful for, that sign said. Oh, he's got his little deals out. One time there was a guy that he was hammered drunk. He hit those approaches and came up and he got air, and he wiped those mailboxes out sideways on his Dodge Dually. Truck was laying there sideways. I don't even know how he hit those approaches. He must have got some air footage, that's for sure. Wiped all those mailboxes out. They was flat. They were like, you know, they was making sparks as they were sliding. It had disappearing metal into the asphalt. Those are good enough bumps and rumps and stuff to check that for now. Good to go. Ding, 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 ding. What is that? I usually just let those burn out, but Saint wife drives it, so she kind of wants it off, so, and not just popped. Don't worry. I hope it's just a PO 440 or EVAP or whatever it is. I think it's the 440 is. I think that's what it is. I'm hoping.